Hey, in this video I'm gonna show you an interesting digital product many people are looking for everywhere. Definitely YouTube video description plays a big role for any YouTuber and content creator on YouTube. Not to mention that it's a vital component in the YouTube SEO, but also any content creator use it to share his affiliate links, to get traffic to his own blog post, or to recommend some related videos in his channel and much more. Therefore, many YouTubers search for ready-to-use templates and done-for-you templates to organize their YouTube video description in an attractive and compelling structure. And for sure, these components in this YouTube video description could be starting with a summary or a little overview and the topic of this video, passing through timestamps or the chapters that are included in this video that make easier for the audience and the watcher to jump from point to another, and some social media accounts to maximize his social media presence, some related videos in his own channel, some related playlists, some external links including the affiliate links and much more. Thus, in this video I'm going to show you how we can create and generate all these templates for making attractive YouTube video description and sell them as digital products to be easily editable from any YouTuber. So first and foremost, how we can get and generate all these templates for making YouTube video descriptions. There are two main ways. The first one, just we can head over to this amazing website that's so-called tubeatlas.com/YouTube description generator. Here you can find ready-to-use and done-for-you templates to create your own YouTube video description as you observe. Here you can find 13 attractive YouTube descriptions as you see with different details. Like this one in template 1, here you can find this introduction or this topic and a little overview of this topic. And all he has to do, just he can insert his details in this parentheses as you see. And here you can find stay connected with his social media accounts, including LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, and etc. And just we can explore some other templates like this one, for example. You can find as well with a call to action for subscribe to his channel, as you see here, social media accounts, timestamps, and so on and so forth, as you see, with different emojis, social media accounts, and so on. So the first way to get all these done for you and the pre-made templates video descriptions is this one, tubeatlas.com YouTube description generator. And the second way, just you can use ChatGPT or ChatGPT alternatives. And of course, you can find down below in the description box in the first comment a big list that contains the best ChatGPT alternatives, including GPT-Go.ai that combines Google and ChatGPT in one place that you can use for free, or you can use Copy.ai and this ChatGPT alternative tool, or an amazing tool here in this niches.com. So for example, if we go together to Copy.ai, so here you can insert this prompt, and for sure I will leave this prompt in the description box, like write me an attractive and creative YouTube video description template that contains timestamps, emojis, social media disclaimer, and etc. Then click over this enter. As you see, it's amazing, isn't it? Like this one, video title and introduction, timestamps, topic number 1, topic number 2, topic number 3, video description, introduction, and gives you a sequence of these chapters and details, conclusion, disclaimer, and some stay tuned, and some social media accounts with emojis and social media icons and etc. And in the end, you can find this hashtags. It's important component in YouTube SEO. So it's an amazing template that you can use on your template. And of course, you can change anything here in this prompt, like you can add a call to action, you can specify more in your topic, and so on. So just we done from this first step to get our templates for making YouTube video description. So the second step, just you can copy all these templates as they are. Like for example, if you go together to YouTubeatlas.com, so here you can copy this one, for example, in this template 12. Okay, copy it and go to a folder and open up a Word document like this one, and just we can paste it as you see. And of course, if we find this one, so you can make it in this left as you observe. And here you can make this process over and over again, so you can make any template in every single page of this Word document to create different 30 or 40 templates with different styles, with different contents, as we said earlier. Okay, and now we can save this file that contains our digital products. To how we can make money online from these digital products. First of all, just you can head over some amazing marketplaces like Etsy.com, one of the best print-on-demand platforms out there for selling t-shirts, home decor, and so on, and as well as digital products. So you can make an account here in Etsy.com and upload your digital product, that is YouTube video description templates. So you can leverage this huge traffic from this marketplace. Or you can head over to this one, creativefabrica.com. Here you can create a new shop and for free to sell your digital product, and here you can find many people are looking for these digital products. Okay, and here in Creative Fabrica you can earn up to 75% on each sale as you observe. Of course, you can sell your digital product as well on Gumroad.com, one of the most famous and familiar marketplace to sell your digital products. And of course, you can take advantage of this marketplace. Many people are looking for a lot of products from marketplace in Gumroad. And of course, you can maximize your earnings by promoting your store and your digital product here on Gumroad on different social media accounts. And speaking about digital products and promoting them on social media, you can create your own store and sell your digital product by many ways. So you can create your own landing page that contains your digital product. For example, this one, Koji.com. Here you can create your own store or your landing page, if so to speak, where you can sell your digital product, that is templates for making YouTube video descriptions as you observe. Here you can upload your own digital product with some screenshots of the most attractive styled templates, and you can set your price as you want, like $5, $10 as you like. Therefore, you can start promoting this store on social media. For instance, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook groups, and so on. Therefore, you can get a lot of traffic to your own store and your digital product. And the more the merrier. You go through YouTube business, so you can get a lot of money by promoting a lot of other products for YouTube business, like TubeBuddy, VIDQ, and so on. Or you can sell as well some digital products like YouTube thumbnails. And of course, I have talked about this amazing digital product before in a previous video. You can find this video down below in the description box and the first comment. So start now to sell this digital product, YouTube video description templates, and make money online from selling digital products. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.